This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can customize the remote controller buttons or assign custom controls for all of those additional buttons you have on your RC on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now launch settings. Here select the control category and scroll this page down until you'll see the button customization. Open this page here, and now you can assign or adjust the C1 button control, for example, switch the gimbal mode, change the camera parameters or other perhaps, the C2 button, the right dial, the C1 button plus right dial macro, and C2 button plus right dial macros. So you can customize all of those functions right over here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.